Join me as I take you on a journey where I show you how I saved $1,100 on just parts by changing out two very simple and common bearings on a piece of machinery that I use on a regular basis. So this is what's left of the old bearing. It was nothing but one ball bearing. I think I got saved right over here. One ball bearing left. That's all I could find. That son of a bitch was shot for a while. I'm surprised I didn't notice. Here's a new one. I've been wrestling this bitch pretty much since lunchtime. I just got it off. So as you can see, I'm 3 beers in. Oh, this is fun. So much fun. It's great. I love it. Love overcoming the obstacles. Cheers to that. Oh shit, just changed the fucking bolt. There anyways. Looks easy. Probably wondering why I have a spoon. There was so much like just sheared off metal in there, I couldn't grab it with my hands. I had to scoop it out with a spoon. The bearing was just shot. There it is. 1, 2. Hope I didn't miss nothing. You can't have nothing and use it and not maintain it. So that's my motto. Clean machines, dirty manuals. That's the non-drive side right there. The one that's equipped with it is way better. It's got a housing around it. It's sealed. You can't add grease. And it's about shot now too. But when I put this one on there, it's going to be super exposed, so I think I might go have a machinist fabricate me a cover to go over that. Lock washer, sprocket, pin. See, I don't know if I recall that one being in there. I feel like it's not supposed to be in there, but it looks fucking new. And it's not in that. They don't show this one. But it clearly has a purpose. This one right here is not in the manual. Oh my gosh. There's no room for error. Perfect fit. Yeah, that one don't go. Cleaned off, she's ready. how to cut this thing off. It was so stuck. But I think I'm going to use this as a template to house the new bearing in. So I'll make like a little protective cover for it. And then that way, this thing will last longer. This is the one that came on it, and they sell them, but they don't have this. They sell you this. And they want $530 for a $20 bearing. It's insane. So we filled her up with some oil. Install the tensioner. Gaskets are on, nothing's leaking. There's the new bearing. We've got the grease fitting facing upwards this time. Doesn't make any sense to have it down. Put that cap on there later. And then we've got this one on here. So all in on just what I've got on it, $40 versus $1,100 from Blue Diamond.